You've been throwing money away every month without even realizing it. And with inflation rising, your savings are disappearing even faster than ever. In this video, I'm giving you 7 easy, practical ways to save money, despite high inflation starting right now. I get it, inflation is hurting everyone. Your paycheck doesn't stretch as far, grocery costs are rising, and bills are climbing. If you feel like money is slipping away faster than you can earn it, you're not alone. But here's the good news, you can still save money, even with inflation working against you. In this video, you'll learn 7 simple strategies to immediately start saving more every single month. I've personally used these methods to protect my finances and build my savings up significantly, even during inflation. Before we jump into it, I have something special for you. If you're struggling financially and want personalized advice, I'm offering a free financial audit call. We'll review your expenses, create a clear plan, and find easy ways to save hundreds every single month. Spots are limited, so make sure you click the link in the description to secure your free financial audit call right now. Point 1, automating your savings. Automating your savings means you never have to think about it. Every payday, your money immediately moves into your savings account before you even have a chance to spend it. Studies show that people who automate their savings accumulate twice as much money as people who don't, because the discipline happens automatically. Automated transfers can be adjusted easily, allowing you flexibility as your financial situation changes. If you don't automate, you'll likely spend money unintentionally, leaving your savings account dry. This puts you at serious financial risk, especially during economic uncertainty or unexpected expenses. You may even find yourself constantly stressed about money. But by automating your savings, you'll quickly build an emergency fund, have greater financial security, and reduce financial stress drastically. Imagine being financially prepared for emergencies without worrying about your bank account. Automating your savings is powerful, but there's another habit that can free up cash in your monthly budget. Stick around because you won't believe how much money you're losing without this next strategy. Point 2, canceling unused subscriptions. Over 50% of people pay for subscriptions that they don't even use or even remember subscribing to. On average, unused subscriptions cost Americans hundreds of dollars every single year. Apps like Truebill and Mint easily identify and can help cancel these unwanted subscriptions. Failing to review subscriptions regularly means you're going to be throwing away money every single month. These costs pile up quickly, often unnoticed, reducing your ability to save or invest. By eliminating these unnecessary expenses, you'll be freeing up immediate cash flow, enabling you to redirect that money into savings or financial goals like debt repayment or investing. Imagine how quickly your financial situation can improve just by eliminating these small recurring expenses. Point 3, define your non-negotiables. Clearly defining your important expenses prevents unwanted spending. It helps prioritize spending on what genuinely brings you value. Knowing your non-negotiables keeps you accountable and helps you control your impulse buying. Without clear non-negotiables, you risk overspending on things you really don't need, and this can lead to very financially hard times and burdens that you don't want to be in. However, by defining your non-negotiables, your spending starts to align with your personal values, leading to increased satisfaction and more purposeful financial decisions. Point 4, meal prepping your food. Meal prepping heavily reduces the chances of you wasting your food. Preparing meals at home is roughly half the cost of eating out. Meal prepping saves time during the busy weekdays, reducing the reliance on expensive fast food and restaurants. Not meal prepping means frequent expensive takeout and dining out, and this drains your budget fast and quickly. By regularly meal prepping, you'll eat healthier, save much more money, and free up extra cash for debt repayment or savings. Point 5, having no car payment. A car payment is one of the largest monthly expenses for all Americans. But on the other hand, used vehicles will significantly reduce your financial obligations every single month, right? And nowadays, cars depreciate rapidly, often making new vehicles very poor financial investments. Always having a car payment limits your financial freedom and keeps you in a monthly debt cycle. Choosing to eliminate car payments allows you financial breathing room, enabling faster debt repayment, greater savings, and financial independence. Point 6, high quality over quantity. Buying quality items, even though they're initially more expensive, will save you much more money over time. And that's because quality products last way longer. Purchasing cheap products costs more in the long run because you have to buy more of it. And this creates a lot of clutter in your life, and puts a lot more financial stress. Choosing quality over quantity simplifies your finances, reduces your frequent expenses, right? And it really ultimately enhances the quality of your life because you're buying higher quality items. Point 7, waiting before you buy. Waiting 24 hours reduces your chance to impulsively buy that item significantly. Delayed purchases lead to better spending decisions. And often you realize you really didn't even want that item if you've waited a certain amount of time, such as 24 hours. Immediately buying things is a bad habit, and that often leads into financial instability, which we don't want. Even then, it can start getting us into a lot of debt, and you can even start to have buyer's remorse, which I know a lot of people personally have. But if we start to practice delayed gratification, this will help us be more mindful with our spending, allowing us to save more money in the long run and build greater financial discipline. So, those are 7 simple, powerful strategies that you can use to save money right now, even during high inflation. You now have the tools to improve your financial situation immediately and start to see real savings. But let's be honest, knowing these strategies is only half the battle. Actually implementing and sticking to them consistently can be very tough. You'll definitely need discipline to automate your savings, review your subscriptions, define your non-negotiables, meal prep, avoid car payments, buying quality items, and delaying your purchases consistently. If you slip up in one area, you risk great financial stress, lost savings, and increased financial insecurity. That's exactly why I'm offering help through a free financial audit personalized for you. I'll guide you step by step to implement these strategies consistently and effectively, helping you achieve financial stability faster and easier. Click the link below to secure your free financial audit call, and let's start putting money back into your pockets right now.